Y'all best listen to Shades and smash that like button in the next 5 seconds.
Shades Crazy Cash!
Hey Shades fam, Trucker Jeff here with a big alert. The bottom is in! All in on 2026!
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about Soundhound AI. It's down 3% for the day. Some people have been asking me, like, hey, what's going on? Why aren't we pumping huge? Why aren't we going to the moon? Why is it down? Trucker Jeff is like, oh no, it's down. It's underperforming. And I'm like, buddy, it's only down to 30 cents. It's not the end of the world. Relax. That guy, if that, man, dude, if Trucker Jeff doesn't see the stock pumping with the markets, he thinks it's the end of the world. It's terrible. Oh no. But today was just a mixed bag. It was a mixed bag. It wasn't really everything pumping huge day. It wasn't, unfortunately. You can come down and, okay, Bitcoin looks good, but what does Soundhound have to do with Bitcoin? Nothing. Sybil, it's down 21%. What does that have to do with Bitcoin? Nothing. Right? APOD, AI infrastructure, these are always going to be hot. These have been showing the most strength. They have not gone under the purple line like Soundhound. So it is no surprise that buyers are showing up for this one. One of the strongest names out there, up there with NVIDIA. That's what these stocks that are going sideways, they have strength behind them. Right? ARKB pumping, right? Because it's the ETF that follows Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin's pumping, so of course the ETF and the Bitcoin miners are going to pump. The sector ETF for Bitcoin, the sector ETF for Bitcoin mining stocks, we got a bounce here. Stuck in a box. Buyers showed up. We would expect it to go back to the top of this range, which would be about 48. No, not 48. Yeah, 43 or 48. And so, of course, the Bitcoin mining sector as a whole is performing well today. That makes sense. Soundhound being down, there's no news. As far as I'm aware, there's nothing, there's nothing. So, it's down, whatever. It's not again, it's only down 30 cents. Like, it's not like it dropped $3, guys. Relax. Riot stock, Bitcoin mining stock, of course it's going to perform well. Rich Tech Robotics, it's not like it seems like it's up a lot, right? 5%, but that's not really, it's nothing. It's nothing. It's literally a small little nothing candle. It's sideways essentially. It's only up 12 cents. IonQ, red for the day, barely up anything. SoFi, it's red today. Right? Like a lot of these stocks are red. So I don't know why Trucker Jeff thinks like, oh no, Soundhound, it's tanking. Like, bro, do you not look at what's going on in the market? Like, there's a lot of stocks that are in the red or just barely holding on. And there are some that are performing very well. Space here, Space stock, which I told you guys, this Space stock, ASTS Mobile, at the purple line, what did I tell you? It's a buy. And if you bought, congratulations. If you didn't, oh well. Same thing with APOD. The purple line strategy works, guys. ONDS, it's stuck in this wedge, so it's either going to break down or break out. I'm not going to buy it. I hate wedges because, can go either way. It can go either way, so I'll just wait and see if it drops. Today was a mixed bag. I know people got excited about Bitcoin pumping, but that's cool, good for Bitcoin and anything Bitcoin related, but everything else today was just kind of sideways. I mean, what? Redwire is up 31 cents. Ondas is up 50 cents, but Ondas is a volatile stock, so it can fluctuate quite a bit. It looks sideways, right? When you look at the candle. Like, it's not really, you got to look at the big picture. NVTS, sideways candle. It's only up 30 cents. Like, there's nothing. Look at this candle. This looks like it wants to turn red. Like, today, NVIDIA, Palantir, defense stocks, I'm sure, are holding up. Uranium barely holding up here. NBIS doing fantastic. I made a video on this one yesterday. Did some due diligence. I told you this one is something to keep an eye on and buy calls if it comes back to the bottom of the range. If you bought calls today after watching my video, congratulations. If you bought shares, you should be happy. A lot of good stocks out there. Let me see. DFLI. UMAC. Look at that. Again, anything to do with war, defense, drones, etc. is performing adequately, just barely holding on, I would call it. Let me look at the quantum sector. Yeah, the quantum sector I assume was sideways. Let me look, see if I can find it. Silver, what is silver doing? Silver, even silver is red. It's only up 6 cents. No, 63 cents, but it's red anyways. MSTR. We're getting a sell-off here end of day is what I'm noticing. Yeah, so today was stocks are just trying to hold on. The only thing that had any significant move would be the Bitcoin mining stocks and anything Bitcoin related. But I'm scrolling down the list and everything it's either sideways or only moved up a little bit. Microsoft moved up only $1, which is pathetic for a stock that's $400. This is not a good sign. We got a mixed bag like this. It's nice that Bitcoin pumped like that, but I have a feeling we're going to get a nice dump to follow because it's very weird. It's very weird that we got this huge pump, but the market isn't following. So let's hope that the market does follow Bitcoin and we start pumping. But yeah, what is this? Is this the next generation internet ETF? Yeah, I'm looking at gold too. Gold was sideways, red, red. I mean, don't be fooled by the green here. There was a lot of red when you look at the candles. So I would say to exercise caution. Be very careful right now because this could be a fake out. This could be a fake out. It's too much divergence here between Bitcoin and a bunch of other stocks and ETFs. Let me look at real estate is just sideways. The technology sector we're still sideways, guys. Nothing has changed when you look at the technology sector. Unfortunately, it's under the purple line. We need that to recover. If it starts tanking, watch out. Remember, if the technology sector rolls over, oh boy. Healthcare is just sideways. It's been sideways like since November of 2025. Consumer discretion is doing well. The robot ETF right now is tanking. The hype died down for those. Is that gold? Yeah, gold didn't do much today. It's a red candle. Sybil is down. That's kind of expected. The purple line was going to act as resistance. So it's no surprise that people took profit. I say if this comes back down to 0009, 0011, I will be adding a position. Because now you've seen firsthand, hey, when this bottoms out and it gets moving on no news, just imagine how it's going to move when it actually gets news. So, yeah. A lot of this is just... Sybil is a great example, by the way. It's a great example of you buy a stock, it goes down, you just got to wait it out. Eventually get a big pump, you make a lot of money, everyone's happy. You'll see that in the future. I'll leave it at that, guys. As always, keep buying, be patient, and I'll see you in the next one.